This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT reading question. The question tells us to look at line 65, so over here, and see what this idea of everyone evincing a predilection for the good creature is implying. So this is just a really fancy way to say that they like to drink. So if we look at this passage, we look a few lines above, we see that little groups are draining bowls of punch, which had been a familiar drink in the colony, and then there are other people, and they preferred the insulated bliss of an unshared potation, so a fancy word for drink, and they became more silent when they're drinking. But we see here in this sentence, so nearly all, in short, evinced a predilection for the good creature in some of its various shapes. So this is just a really complicated way of saying that they all have a preference for drinking. So whether they do it alone and they become silent, or whether they sit together in little groups and drink bowls of punch, they all are drinking. So let's look at our choices and see what's most reflected. So choice 1, mariners are celebrating a successful voyage to the West Indies. We don't know that. That's not mentioned by this good creature. Choice 2, people in the tavern are drinking an alcoholic beverage. So that's going to be right, as we saw. Choice 3, people in the tavern had been reformed by turning to religion. So this good creature is hardly talking about religion. It's talking about alcohol. And choice 4, men in the tavern were known for seeking out the enjoyable things in life. So even though alcohol can be enjoyable, we don't know if they're seeking out enjoyability, because we see that people are, in this case, drinking some alcohol and then becoming taciturn or silent or kind of serious. So this isn't necessarily an enjoyable activity, but we can definitely say that people in the tavern are drinking. So choice 2 is right.